You ready?
Come out with it.
Welcome back to Definitely Not Mechanics. It has been a while, but we're back with some more content. If you see me looking weird, it's because I've got a giant monitor on top of my camera and I can't figure out what I'm supposed to look at right now. I'm Logan, and this is Brandon. And today we're doing a little bit of work on the newest project, Daily. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty dirty, curmudgeonous, not great. We've got some poor joint, boot, and bushing situation here. So the kit that I got is actually a rough country kit. I got it in trade for a snap-on air drill, which I thought was a pretty good deal. We got new ball joints for the lowers, front and rear shocks, upper control arms, knuckles. Should be a pretty quick and easy setup. It'll lift it about, honestly, to sit about right here. But first off, we're gonna get started pressure washing all of that. You guys remember this? Still working strong. I don't know if y'all remember that from one of my previous videos, but the whole thing blew apart on me internally, like third time I used it. Had to rebuild it, put some new seals in it and stuff, and then the gun blew apart on me. And then they've got like this proprietary system for their gun with that Harbor Freight one to where you can't just put a regular gun up to it. So here we are again, you know, right? Somebody's gonna give me shit for wearing ladies' mechanics gloves. They can suck my dick, I got ladies' hands.
I wonder why I'm wearing these fucking tiny ass clothes.
Those are not ladies.
Still, they're fucking tiny.
All right.
You gotta ride on this side, okay?
He's trying to hypnotize you?
Huh?
He's trying to hypnotize you?
I think he's trying to hypnotize me.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, honestly.
I don't know what that was. Is that called? Back to your membership?
I sure as hell hope not. Easiest way to do anything is with a little bit of unnecessary force. See? Off. Got this guy. Reusable. Sure, my viewers are going to be super happy to see me using power tools now of the 1/2-inch variety. For a long time I was just using the old trusty and a breaker bar, some wrenches, you know. Now I'm up with the times. I got swivels,
Dude, no. No.
I was on a pretty good streak there for a second though, right? Like it looked like I was like,
Thunder in there for me.
dude, it would have hit me straight in the face. That's the only kind of luck I have. It would have went whap.
I'm not driving you to the hospital.
I'm not driving to the hospital either. You think I got health insurance? I don't even know why I'm spray painting yet. That's that tension of this being connected on the other side. I'm not afraid of no tension though.
Want to go down more?
I live my whole life under tension. Yeah, give me just a second. Hold on, don't do anything yet.
Yeah.
Whoa, we're back here. I just have a feeling when we're letting this down, it's gonna wanna come and sit down on these studs. That's not the type of man I am. There we go. All right, now let it do whatever you want. Because we're not reusing that spindle or anything. So whatever happens to that, none of my business. Oh, that's probably not a good thing. Okay. Be careful. Oh, a little bit. Oh. Oh, no.
Oh, man.
Damn, I just...
You can't wipe out a dent.
I was just trying to get a better look at it. Sometimes you can, I guess. There we go. I didn't even need to do that either. I just need to push it down a little further. Oh, I lost this guy. You don't want to lose him. Okay, I'm sure that washer will turn up. Okay, so now, all you gotta do from this point is just give it a nice little pull, and all the stuff that you don't need can just be set right over here. And then you can put on the new stuff. It's gonna work out great. See how much easier that was than fighting a ball joint for 3 hours?
Do a little touch up on all the rusty bullshit in here.
Yeah, you gotta make sure that your bullshit looks like it's trying not to be bullshit. I'll paint a cobweb in a minute, brother.
Nice purple ladies gloves you got on there, Logan.
They're not ladies' gloves.
You said they were ladies' gloves.
I said that to you in confidence that you wouldn't say it out loud. Now that you've said it out loud, I'm forced to deny it.
You said you have feminine hands. It's not my fucking fault.
Brandon, I don't think you realize I'm the one that edits these videos. You can't put something like that in there and it stay. I get in here, I get so fucking mad at whatever I'm doing that I'm just like, fuck it. We're leaving that shitty. That's what my dad said when he left too. They're like, I got daddy issues, buddy. Let me tell you what my other therapist said before they said to stop coming to them.
Want somebody more expensive?
This guy is pretty expensive. It's hard to find a dude therapist, honestly. And like a decent one that's not like 100 years old that's gonna tell you, oh, no, there's nothing wrong with you. Obama was putting something in the radio waves. That's what made your uncle touch you. Like, come on, dude. Be real. You're out there touching nephews too. I don't know where I was going with that. What the hell? Are you joking me right now?
What happened, Logan?
I don't know, really. Still works. Man, I should probably hit these with the...
You shouldn't get one, dude. Spray foam's dropped my arms.
Damn, dude, this looks super nice under here, honestly. I should... Oh, dude, stop me now. I'll fucking...
You need to stop, because it's going to look half-assed on the other side.
Oh, you're right. Fix it.
Siri reminded me.
Yeah. Ask me how I know, motherfucker.
I love how I said that earlier. I was like, Siri, in 45 minutes, remind me. It's 4 hours later.
Is it really?
Yes.
Really? Smoking weed, brother. Hey, you're still working, aren't you? You still in your shift, Marty?
We learned from the other side after we put the spring in and then had to take it back out that you put the upper control arm in first.
Yeah, and honestly, like, I should know better. However, just thought I could do it without, since I got him out without. I don't know. I got my hubris got the best of me on that one. Ah, yes, my brand new spring. Can't forget this guy. Pro tip, you can zip tie garden hose around your spring and use it as an isolator. Ask the guy that bought my van. And that's gonna help this adhere.
We're ready for that part?
And then this is the part that really is just great for two people. Ow. Push. Let's play gunshot or weird highway noise. Okay, check it out. Always remember to line up your hole for your ABS sensor with this guy. Make sure it's in the right spot, because if it's not, it won't be fun. And then it's gonna go like that. I've definitely had to take apart lift kits before because I did that. I made that mistake. What the shit in the fuck is going on? Oh, there we go. Too much. There you go. There you go. Wee little bugger. See how much quicker it goes?
You know what you're doing.
I never know where the fuck the cotter pin hole is. It's never in the same place twice. Let's see. We'll go with a new one, you know?
About damn time.
A lot of people judge me on the way that I put cotter pins on, but you know what I have to say to that? Did you pay my cotter pin bill? You make my cotter pin decisions. Sometimes I just take a little hammer, bump it up. I don't want it to snag on nothing like a trash bag in the highway or something, you know? All right, so we got the lift finished up last night. Looks pretty great so far. The alignment is obviously off because I've just done it here in the driveway, but I did manage to get it pretty close right here as far as my camber and caster. It is, like, when you put a level on it, it's pretty close to dead nuts being straight up this way. One thing I don't see a lot of people do is remove all of the clips and the metal brackets. See, on this, it's all just plastic clips for the ABS, but for the brake line, there's a metal bracket. There's a metal bracket right about there, and then another one down here. And I don't like all that shit flapping. So all I did, I mean, you know, just remove those to make it look cleaner. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Remember, you can always support us by finding some merch at, what is our website even now? At dnmco.shop. Stay tuned for all the other stuff that we're going to be doing on this now that we're getting into the Sierra Silverado world. Well, thanks for sticking around this far, and we appreciate everybody that's following the channel. If you're not already, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you don't want to, that's fine, because apparently this guy didn't want to. Later, guys.